Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Stan Store community app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use the Stan Store community app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So it's this app right over here. If you search on your app store, and then we're going to go ahead and type in Stan, it's going to be this option here. So you have a Stan link in bio for creators, but then you're also going to have a Stan community app, which is this one right over here. So go ahead and install this one. And then once it's finished installing, we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now, make sure you're logged in. And then the first thing that you're going to be prompted with is what are your communities? So I have a community here called Build Past 1K. So we're going to click on that. And then it's going to go take you to that community. And once you're here, you can see all the different posts. You can reply to posts. You can click on different filtering options. You can actually create your own post. You can add bold words, italicized words, bullet points, images, take a photo, or attach files. Now, on the bottom hand corner, you're going to see chats. So anytime you join a private discussion or someone messages you, you're going to see activity. So anytime that I'd say post admin makes a new post, you're going to see a notification here if you're tagged. And also any replies to you. So for example, on this post here, someone replied to me and I was tagged, so therefore I'll get a notification for that. Now in the settings option, you can edit your profile image, you can change your display name, you can change your bio. You could also add your social media links such as your Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and website. You can set notifications. You could also change your password, update a password, and also you can decide to leave the community as well if you'd like. Now, specific to this community, if you click on resources in the bottom right-hand corner, it should give you resources that the admins placed upon the group. And then if you go back to the homepage on the bottom left-hand corner, then click on the hamburger icon on the top right, this is also going to show you what the community is about and as well as any helpful links that might be useful to you. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Stan Store community app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.